Hey guys, welcome back. This is the part 1 accessories video for the OnePlus 6T. So we have seen the drop test for the OnePlus 6T. So drop test basically gives an idea, what kind of protection level do you need on your smartphone. So we tried with the official cases and up to 6 feet height, it is okay. But hey, the results may vary based on your location and the surface. And first thing, I need to show you guys demo on the broken phone. I will get them repaired and show you guys other usual stuff. And also, none of these cases are officially drop proof, and as of now filming this video, whatever case I found based on the reviews and rating or with my past experiences, they are good. So once there will be any drop proof cases available which have this official MIL 810G certificate, we'll be making the part 2, part 3 and the so on as needed. And if you're watching this video from outside India, most likely these cases won't be available on your location too. So stay tuned. On the part 2 and part 3, we'll be definitely checking out the cases which are available globally worldwide. This one actually is my favorite. These kinds of cases, you just have to use tempered glass and they just work fine. There's no such issues. It's open and it should fit with the tempered glasses also. There's no problem at all. Proper layout for this flash. Camera is also protected. This buttons is again accessible. Good. This is also clickable. So it's just a basic case. If you just look around some hard case, different colors they are coming. It's kind of see-through. You can see, I can see the white here. So that's your basic case. You can easily use, easy to take out since they have a different design. Next we have is the golden sand case. This is quite popular here in India. I'm not sure why it is that. They're just copy paste case for the speaker. You can see this is the proper cutout for the speaker here. So that's how they should actually design the case. Just see here, this is the proper cutout. Other than that, it's okay. It's a popular budget case. Buttons are okay. It comes in red color, I guess, black color also. This is a brushed aluminum finish. Speakers type C, and it should be compatible with the tempered glass also. Maybe I will show you in the future about that. And they have another variant here, the same golden sand case. They also have the proper speaker cutout. So one or two cases I have bought today, they don't have this thing. So you can easily see there's a proper cutout here. Slight protrusion on the edges should compatible with the tempered glasses. And these all cases I have tried in the past on the OnePlus 6, they work with the tempered glasses. So like you can see, it should be okay. Here. So this nice case, again, it comes in different colors. Next case is some different case. I don't know about that. Case design, check the description for the link. Proper cutout for the speaker should be okay. Slight protrusion should be compatible with tempered glass. This is slightly bigger, and this button has some problem in accessing. You can see it is too much inside. So if you are using this LED slider a lot, so this case may not be so comfortable for you. So comfort wise, I won't recommend you this case because this is just so tight to access. You may end up damage this button. So yeah, I won't recommend you this case, even though it looks good, but this is just not super comfortable compared to the cases like what we have seen today. All right, next case is this one. This is Bijou case. Looks super heavy duty, and a lot of good ratings here on the Amazon. So yeah, you see there is a problem. There is a no cutout like we have seen here for the speaker. So let's first apply it and see does it fits perfectly or not. So yeah, we won't recommend you this case brand. There is a no cutout here. This is actually covering the whole speaker, whole earpiece thing. So not good. Even though it feels great, maybe they have to alter their design. It's not recommended. So this case we are rejecting it because of the design flaw of this speaker. So that's why these kinds of accessory stuff is important to check. And this one actually looks nice in terms of look and overall feel. This is really good case, you can see. And they have the proper earpiece cutout. And it is super lightweight. They have the OnePlus branding, and I guess it comes in 2 different colors. It feels great, the one like in my Pixel, carbon fiber color. Feels great actually. Super lightweight. If I have to pick one, unless I don't have any of such drop proof cases, I will go with that case. This one looks cool. I mean, lightweight, proper design, simple, alert slider, properly accessible. easily buttons are okay. But this is so far my pick for today's case. So next case we have to try is this Amozo case. This is actually good for two reasons. First, because you can see through the phone color and the buttons are properly nice. We have seen for the Poco phone, and here we try. So unfortunately we need to reject this case also with the same design flaw like we have seen in this case. You can see there is no proper earpiece opening, so your voice may be problem. You may not be able to talk properly. Sorry Bizu, we are rejecting you. The last one we have is the KADAVERE today. This is highly popular case in India for some reason. I don't know they have any kind of drop certifications or not. Seems really I can say, guys, maybe they have some various patents by their respective owners. Use it. I'm not going to do any drop tests. Maybe they can make your phone safe. Check out on the web, maybe you will get some videos. So they have the proper cutting and it is lightweight, not that bulky compared to this one, this heavy duty truck case. This is good actually. Buttons are good. You can also access this sliders properly. Should be compared with the tempered glasses too. So yep, that's your KADAVERE case. Feels really heavy duty. I mean, if I compare with the Ring K, like they are definitely heavy, but just doubt like they are drop proof or not. So we have seen 8 cases in total today, and 2 we are rejecting because of the design flaw. This Bizu case, very heavy duty case, and this is Amozo case, and because there is no proper earpiece cut out here, so these cases are not recommended. And like I said, there is no proof like these cases are having any kind of drop certification. Not just use them casually, or you can wait for the part 2, part 3 and so on once I will show you some of the drop proof cases. So stay tuned guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, have a great day.